Good evening. Just real quick before we get started, this dance group was formed by my late grandfather, Paul Tialana, and we're all related. We've got most of us living here in Anchorage, but we've got a few from Nome, and my brother's family here from Valdez. And we'll go ahead and get the dances started. The first two being welcome dances, welcoming you here tonight.